Hi, Miley. Hey, for today's project, I'm going to be setting up this landscape rake for a quick hitch, installing this parking stand that I got from Stevens Tractor website. I'll put the link in the description. And then I'll have to fix an incorrect assembly that was done right here. You see all the gaps. I ordered this rake in March, and it took about 17 weeks to get here, so I'm not going to send it back. I'm just going to correct this, move on with life. Yeah, I tried getting this nut off with the 1 5/16 wrench. I'm just not strong enough to do it. I don't have the correct socket, so a 1 3/8 socket, do some junkyard math, a 2mm piece of metal. Now last time I showed putting on these bushings in a vise. This time I'm going to do it on the tool. One end of this roll pin is tapered and the other end is flat, so watch out for that. Perfect tool for that is a punch I got from Harbor Freight. And now I need to try to fix this alignment. Alignment's good on both sides now. The parking stand interferes with getting a full rotation, but it is possible. Spin this rake entirely around. It is a 6-foot also, in case I didn't mention that. I got a 6-foot because it was only like $15 more than a 5-foot. So I thought if it's too big, I can just cut the ends off and have a 5 foot. But I have the option to be bigger right now. I think it's time to try it out. I only spent about less than 10 minutes raking the side of this hill behind the chicken coop. Looks like the guineas and the chickens approve. Hi birdies. Find something good? Well, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, everyone.